Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix PRAGMATA game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. First fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear PRAGMATA's cache files. Press Xbox kite button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for PRAGMATA game and then highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart. Now after following all the 4 steps, you can launch PRAGMATA game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to accounts, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, launch PRAGMATA game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select the alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to run PRAGMATA from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type PRAGMATA in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change a DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall PRAGMATA game. So simply uninstall PRAGMATA from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issues or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve PRAGMATA game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.